At Parrys, we always get asked how to clean our hard floors that we actually sell to our customers. Well, there's 4 things you got to keep in mind. Number 1, what we do suggest is when you go into a house, remove your footwear. Nothing worse than bringing in dirty shoes, maybe with a few stones in the bottom of them that could cause damage to your floors. So take them off, walk around your bare feet, feel the floor. Number 2, we talk about scuffing. So to protect your floors, you might want to put down some rugs, some mats, or even under your furniture where you're sitting down, you can put pieces of felt directly under the actual bottoms of those corners so they're not scratching and rubbing against the floors. Number 3, cleaning. What to clean with your hard floors. We suggest a good vacuum or a good sweep will take up most of the surface dust. And to mop it, please use warm or cold water only. Don't use chemicals, don't mix the chemicals in, no fancy fragrant oils. They leave smears and stains that can only get dirty down the track. Warm or cold water cleans it up instantly. The 4th thing you can think about is sunblocking. In Australia, especially Perth, we have a UV problem. UV can damage anything. Just look at my skin. So when it comes to actually your floors, protect your floors by protecting your windows. Put some sort of sunblocking on your windows, awnings, blinds, curtains, things like that. That'll also make sure the floor doesn't fade. Those 4 things, probably the best things to remember. Come into Parrys, see one of our guys who can help you with your flooring and can give you these tips.